The baker saw the rolls just after it collected Mr. Birmingham. The driver then continued on round the next corner, drove on the wrong side of the road.
Not a lot of crime out there today.
Ah, Miss Fisher. I was wondering when Bert would wheel in the heavy artillery.
Bert is naturally keen to see some movement in this tragic matter.
And as movement in Copperspeak means slower than a wet week.
Mr. Chambers claims his car was stolen, Bert.
Stolen my Aunt Mary.
We're trying to recreate the scene of a crime.
So I see.
Beep, beep.
Looks like the driver's had a few too many sherries.
Can't have been Hector Chambers then.
Why?
He doesn't drink. His preferred vice is cheap cigars.
What are these?
Collisions. As I was saying, the driver then clipped the milk truck, drove over the bollard, and drove off.
Must have done some damage.
And left a lot of bloody evidence.